Welcome, my friend. Let us settle in for rest. Allow your body to find the most comfortable position for sleep, lying down supported, warm and cozy. Take your time adjusting pillows or blankets. This is your time to be held, letting your precious eyes close gently. Take a moment and just feel your beautiful breath moving through your body. I invite you to take a slow, unhurried breath in through the nose and release. Again, inhale and exhale. Letting your breath settle into a natural, restful rhythm. This practice is here to help you disconnect from the weight of the day, to release stress, emotional heaviness, mental chatter, to prepare your body and mind for deep, restorative sleep. Sleep is where our body repairs and where the nervous system recalibrates. There is nothing you need to stay awake for in this practice, nothing you need to listen hard for. Even if you drift into sleep before the practice ends, your subconscious will continue to receive the guidance, the softness, the healing through these words. You are allowed to rest, my friend. I invite you to imagine that the day is gently loosening its hold on you. Whatever that looks like for you, see it softly in your mind, or simply sense into the conversations of the day unwinding from you. The responsibilities, the news, messages, updates, the emotions, threads of energy no longer needed at this time. With every slow exhale, imagine these threads gently unwinding from your body, gently returning to the wider currents of life where energy can freely move, transform, and find its next place. You don't need to replay anything. You don't need closure. You can return to it tomorrow if you wish. But for now, you let go and rest. Now, my sweet friend, bring your focus to the top of your head. Just feel your scalp soften. Letting go of any tightness or tension. Allow your forehead to relax. The space between your eyebrows releases. Your eyes resting gently. Your jaw unclenches, and your lips and tongue release tension. Feel this ease moving down your neck as your shoulders melt down a little further away from your ears. Any energetic weight you've been carrying, let it all slide off now. Feel your arms growing heavier. Your hands and fingers softening. This relaxing wave of energy moving through your chest and heart. Your belly softening completely. No pulling in, no bracing. Just softness. Releasing tightness in your hips now. Softening your legs. Feel your feet relax as your toes loosen. Your entire body is unloading. Muscles unwinding. Tissues softening. Sleep begins in surrender. And as your body rests in surrender now, know that repair has already begun. Your cells already restoring. Your immune system beginning to recalibrate. And your nervous system settling into safety. You don't need to guide this. Your body knows exactly what to do. If your thoughts drift through, let them float by. No engagement, no judgment. Drifting is so welcome here. Your body slowly drifting into sleep, into the dream world. The dream world is where we meet spirit, where guides, loving ancestors, and inner wisdom speak to us in symbols, stories, feeling. The dream world is a place of play, healing, insight, and remembering. The dream world is a place of connection. You are allowed to be held by what loves you beyond language. There is nothing to chase in the dream world, only openness to receive. If it feels right, you can silently affirm to yourself, I am open to Spirit's gentle guidance in my sleep. I am safe to rest, and I am supported as I sleep. Your beautiful breath is carrying you deeper into rest now, and your body continues to grow heavier with ease and relaxation. Sleep may come slowly, or it may arrive suddenly. There's nothing left to do, nowhere to go. Let the music continue. Let your body sink deeper, my friend. Let sleep carry you when it's ready. You are safe and held. I wish you pleasant dreams, my friend.